It says let it snow. And so it has. This is the first time witnessing the snow firsthand. February 23rd, the New Jersey blizzard. New Jersey hasn't had a blizzard since 1996, I think. Many people forget how much snow New Jersey's ever gotten. Streets aren't plowed, or it's still snowing. Got wind gusts still. It's not that cold out, but we're all getting mentally and physically prepared to go out there and displace and put the snow somewhere else. So, all right, we're gonna go check out the backyard. See what it looks like from here. This is that Wizard of Oz moment where things turn black and white into just white. And while I can't get this back door open for now, just want to give you a glimpse. So the backyard's accumulated a lot more, and we'll continue this from a different perspective. Alright, here in the East Coast, here in New Jersey, some of us have basements or cellars. I think the best way to go and shovel the back is through the cellar. Cellar door. Alright. Even the spider webs are getting some fresh snow. Went back inside so I can get a ruler, just so I can measure this stuff. Right against the door. 2 feet of snow. So the snow is extremely soft and manageable. Something peaceful about when it snows outside. It's almost as if it muffles all other sound. Very calming. So it's February 23rd, 2026 here in New Jersey, where the snow is up to 24 inches and it's quiet out. The streets aren't done. It's still snowing. It's about noon time. It won't end for another couple of hours. But I wanted to get into the flow, get it started, do the backyard, and eventually do the front. It's going to be a melee of where to put all the other snow. It's going to stack up really high. But if you see my previous video of first snow in New Jersey, which I'll leave the link right here. That video, that snowfall, was nothing compared to what we just experienced from last night into today in Jersey City, New Jersey. It wouldn't be fun if we didn't take that obligatory snowball. Great packing snow. Get the snow nice packed, nicely packed, not icy, beautiful snow. Perfect job. Try to plow my way out. Snow's up to my knees. I'm just right now trying to clear the way for the yard in case there's an emergency, so we're able to access this back door. When I reminisce or think about Jersey, I'm like, gosh, I wish I saw the snow. I miss snow. You know what? It's true. I still miss it. It's right here. I can't believe it's here. But being from a tropical background, you know, my family is from the tropical island of Puerto Rico. Living in Texas for 17 years. The beauty of coming to New Jersey is the seasonals, the 4 seasons, experiencing fall and winter the way it should be. The amazement of snow. Love it. I'm pretty sure low-key I'm doing this so my dad can feed his birds. He loves his birds and they haven't gotten fed today. This morning he made blueberry pancakes. Kind of just throw the bread or pancakes, whatever he wants to feed him, right here. I'm sure they'll be pleased if they haven't gone away for the winter yet. Low-key. I think a lot of people have their own technique. I do the 3-layer system. 8 inches, 8 inches, 8 inches. It's 2 feet. I just broke it down to 3 scoops. You're not going to grab it all the way from the bottom. Put a strain on your back. But I'm just making a pathway. Along the yellow brick road. Getting ready for the bigger project, which is the front, which takes a little bit more strategy. Just 10 more feet away. Oh look, we reached the North Pole. The neighborhood's alive. This brave soul goes up the hill and he's going in reverse. And one for our homies. Here comes the slow snowplow now, courtesy of Jersey City. What was once a two-way street will now converge into one. Let's see how far. Whoa. Oh, I think I skipped a step. But we do have some really good neighbors, and I'm going to start doing his side, his walkway. Just a nice strip along the wall so people can walk. This way we can just really pile on the snow on the sidewalk. It's a win-win. I don't mind helping him out. He's there. Helps me on occasion. Wow, the big boys, the big guns are coming up. Oh, now it's spraying the salt. You made it. This is phase 2, is breaking it through to the street. Well, the strategy and pact we've had for a long time on this block with the neighbors that man, I don't mind doing his walkway. Here it is, the neighbor's walkway, but allows us to dump all the snow on his sidewalk on the right side. We're nearing the end of the workout. We've been out here for what, an hour?
We've been here for 2 hours.
2 hours? Okay. 2 hours apiece. So here's the scenario. Everyone's doing their due diligence, working together because we have no choice as a community, as a neighborhood. Snow, the blizzard.
I fell for the wires.
Yeah. So that's it. It's a wrap. We've done everything we could. We've been out for at least a couple of hours. At the city with their salt truck. Stairs. Nicely done. Want to give a lot of thanks, shout out to the Blizzard Wizard for coming out here, and it's like we've been training all of our lives for this moment.
I make you a snow cone.
The driveway's done. Great. Nice. So thanks guys. Thanks for checking out the video. This is the blizzard of 2026 in New Jersey. Got about a couple of feet. But thanks for coming out. Please hit that like button. Subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know about your shoveling experience, if you've ever even seen snow or fascinated by snow. But that's it. We're good. Thanks guys. Take care.